everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add and manage value-added products in the iVendi platform. First, we're going to look at how to set up and manage your value-added products in the iVendi platform. To create, edit, or remove value-added products, navigate to Settings. From here, select Value-Added Products. Here, you can view and manage all added extras for your dealership. To add a new value-added product, select the Add New VAP button here. Now you can create a new value-added product by selecting the type, name, and price of the product you wish to add. You can add a product description here. To enable all users in your dealership to access this product in the quoting journey, you must select Yes to make the product visible on the platform. You can also set individual products to automatically display in all quotes by setting Default when quoting. Please note, you can only preload one of each insurance product type into a deal. And due to the difference in regulations for the sale of gap insurance, gap products cannot be set as a default. Select Add VAP. The new product has now been added to your list of value-added products. You can quickly and easily edit the visibility and default status of each product from this screen. You can edit or delete a product by selecting the correct icon here. To edit a product, simply select the edit icon. Change the fields you wish to edit and select Update VAP. To delete a product, select the Delete icon and confirm. Once you have set up your added extras via Settings, there are two ways to add value-added products into a quote: via the Quick Quote function or via the Send Deal journey. For more information on either of these features, please check out our other tutorials. Today, we are going to focus only on value-added products. Whether you enter the journey via Quick Quote or Send Deal, you will be able to build value-added products into the deal in essentially the same way. Select Add VAP here, and you can select from any of the added extras that have been set up in the Settings tab. Select the name to choose a specific product. Only the VAPs set as visible in the Settings tab will be visible here. The default price for the specific product will automatically be displayed. To change the price for a personalized deal, simply enter the new price. To add this product to the deal or quote, click Add VAP. The product will now display as part of the deal. You can adjust the price by simply typing in a new price in the price field. Or you can delete the product here. If you want to select a different product within a particular category, select the Edit icon. The price will automatically update in line with the new product selected. You can add multiple extras to a deal by selecting Add Another VAP. The total price of all added extras in the deal is displayed here. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.